moment. Just hoping to see a bit of brood. Tiny bit of brood there. Just full of pollen, absolutely rammed that frame. So we should start to be getting into the brood nest. I'm looking for eggs. Looking right round the frame. And we've just got a tiny bit of brood. Tiny bit of brood in the middle there, just that little patch. So maybe we're waiting on a queen with this one. Nice and gently over the hive. Nice and slow. Oh, it's nice to have a bit of breeze. Nice and slow with these frames. You're getting the first look at the other side.